Hey guys, welcome to Pantry Partners. Today we're making very easy homemade yogurt with only 2 ingredients. You will need 1 liter of milk and some leftover store-bought yogurt. Let's get started. Add your milk to a pot. Bring your milk up to a boil. Be careful to not let it boil over. Turn the heat down and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Take it off the heat and let it cool down. Once the milk is cooled down, mix in a tablespoon of yogurt with some milk. And now mix that in with the rest of the milk. Put on your lid and let this mixture stand in a warm place for about 6 hours. Okay, so it's been 6 hours and this is how it looks now. I'm going to throw off the excess liquid. You can see it's now nice and thick. You can put this in a tub or a jar in the fridge and it will thicken even more. So my yogurt has been standing in the fridge overnight. Let's have a look. As you can see, the consistency is smooth and it tastes great. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe.